Good morning, Year 1, and welcome to our third lesson on belonging in RE. So today, what we're thinking about is how babies can be welcomed into a family and how they're welcomed into the family of the church. So our learning focus is going to be how a family takes their children to church to be baptized. So we've got a couple of pictures to look at. So have a look at these pictures, and I want you to think about who you can see in each picture. So if you want to tell your grown up, and then in a moment we'll share what we thought in class. So in class we thought, and I bet you thought the same, that this is just a small family, whereas this looks like it's an extended family and possibly people from other families. And there's also this gentleman here who's a priest. So what do you think's going on in each family? There's a clue here. Okay, when you're ready, start the video again. So what we thought was, in this first picture, a baby's being welcomed home, probably for the first time when mum and dad have come back from hospital. And there's a cake here for the baby, or at least for the children to celebrate, because the baby's too young to eat it. And then in this second picture, we thought there was also a welcome going on. Did you guess who's welcoming them and what the baby has been welcomed into? Yes, that's right. It's another family. It is the family of the church. And we worked out that this is a christening, or as we call it in the Catholic faith, a baptism. So the next question, and if you listen to those words carefully, you'll be able to answer this. What is the first sacrament that happens? It's what's going on in this picture. So tell your grown up. Brilliant, a christening or a baptism. Baptism is the first sacrament. And now, in a moment, we're going to go on to the next page and we're going to have a look at the picture. Remembering this picture here, we're going to go on to the next page and have a look at the words that go with the song. And you can have a listen to the song, which because it's linked up, or you can use this, type this clip into YouTube and you'll be able to find the song. But before we do that, I'm going to explain what I want you to do at home. So, what we've done in class and what we'd like you to do at home is write a description of what's happening in this picture. You only need a sentence describing what's happening to the baby and where they're being welcomed to. And then in this second picture, again, write a sentence saying what's happening in this picture, where they're being welcomed to, and if you can end it by saying what sacrament is going on. So it could be for grown-ups, for example, this is a, and that's one of those two words we've already done, baptism and christening, then that would be brilliant. And that's all you need to do. And there is a sheet for you to access if you want to type it and send it in. So that's basically what we're aiming at. So when you've done that, start the video again and we will put on the lyrics and you can access either via the link on Teams or directly by typing in the link in the song that goes with this, and think about how the words here link to welcome. Okay, well that's the end of today's lesson. I can't wait to see how well you've done.